Take a look at this new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 22 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front full-feature leather-appointed bucket with Cowan, heated seat cushions and seat backs, GVWR, 7,200 pounds, 3,266 kilograms, sunroof, power, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, jet black dark ash, perforated leather-appointed seat trim, Chevrolet Malink audio system, 8 inches diagonal color touchscreen navigation with FM Stream HD, USB ports, seating, heated and cool ED perforated leather-appointed front bucket, emissions, Connecticut, Delaware, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, LTZ. Plus package, tires, P265/65 R18 all-terrain, white outlined letter, LED lighting, cargo box and the driver alert package. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.